Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap, Fruitland, local and long distance movers near me. We make moving simple with the following options for your long distance move: packing and unpacking services, moving supplies, an on-time move, and upfront pricing. We know relocating to a new city or town is stressful. Our team will take care of the hard work for your long distance move. Whether you plan to move 100 miles away, 500 miles away, 1,000 miles away, or even further, we can make the process so much easier. Do you need to hire an Idaho moving company for your local move? If so, you need a team that can make the process easier. Avoid heavy lifting and hard work with the right professional movers. Plus, you'll need to save time and you will have the right protection for all your things. 3 men and a truck is the professional team you need for your local move. With our help, you don't have to nearly worry as much. You can focus on other things that come with moving, even locally. We can even handle the largest moves rather quickly. In addition to local and long distance moving, our Fruitland moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.